Hey guys, today I will be doing a beginner's tutorial on how to add textures to an object using UV mapping in Blender. Specifically, I'll be showing you how to apply a rather simple texture, a Minecraft dirt grass block. First off, I'm going to start with a new file that is under General. And this is really simple since I didn't do any 3D modeling, just doing texturing. I can hop onto the Materials tab and then click the little yellow dot and under texture add image texture. Gonna open up a file, select the file that you want. For me in this case it's a Minecraft dirt block. Now you're probably wondering where the texture is. To see the texture I actually have to go up to material preview or rendered view, and I'm just going to click that and it's going to show me a texture, my texture. Now this isn't a great texture because it's all misaligned. But to fix that, I'm going to hop up here to the UV editing tab, and it's going to show me what it is cutting out of my picture to show me what I see. Now I'm going to click one more time the view materials preview. That's going to show me my render once again, the image texture. Now to fix this, I'm going to line it up to the cross shape here by clicking R, pressing and holding Control for snapping, and bringing it over. Pressing the left mouse button when I'm done. Now it's still not great because it's not scaled properly, but to fix that I'm just going to press S and then X to go to the X axis and bring it up roughly. S, X, and then holding Shift will slow down my selection. It will slow down. Now it's here. It's looking better, but again not the best. And to make it better, I'm going to press G and realign all these little dots, little coordinates, so that they fit into the texture. Now, don't worry if you are cutting a little bit out. It doesn't have to be entirely perfect. And this, how detailed or how precise you decide to make it is entirely up to you, as it can take as long or as little time as you need. Alrighty, and I'm just finishing up the final details. And there you have it. That UV model that UV texture is now applied to the cube. I'm going to head back to the layout tab to get rid of the UV editor, and it's going to show me my cube. Now it is on its side, and to fix that, I'm just going to press R along the Y axis while pressing and holding Control to snap it till it gets upright. Press 0 for the camera viewport and F12 to render, and there you have it. You have a Minecraft dirt grass block.